Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 70 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use your flex view as the camera tripod. At first you need to open the camera. Now fold your phone like this. As you can see, when it's folded almost like 90 degrees, we can see here our camera view, preview, and here all the controls for our camera. So how to use it as the tripod? Just place it on the ground. On a flat surface like this. Now you can set a timer using this clock over here and timer 10 seconds. You can here take out of yourself, and again 10 seconds timer. Here, just click this button and the photo will be taken. That's how to use your phone as a tripod. The same works for video, slow motion, frame match, and everything. Goodbye!